mourning the tragic death of Kobe Bryant. The former Los Angeles Lakers superstar was one of 9 people aboard a helicopter that crashed in California. Also on the flight was his daughter.
Authorities say the helicopter came down around 10 a.m. local time just outside of Los Angeles. All 8 passengers and the pilot were killed. That included NBA legend Kobe Bryant and his 13-year-old daughter, Gianna. An eyewitness said he heard the sound of a helicopter struggling, then an explosion.
Actually, I was drinking coffee in my car, but I heard some noise of the helicopter was struggling. You can tell because the engine was not really running fast. It was very low, but recently my friend of my car, I picked up the car, but after I spoke to my friend, I heard some explosion. That smoke started coming up, and now sharing cars back and forth here.
What was left is burning wreckage strewn over the hillside. The aircraft was flying in dense fog.
We do know there was an issue of visibility and a low ceiling. The actual conditions at the time of impact, that is still yet to be determined, and we'll have that with the NTSB shortly.
Be looking at the history of the pilot and whatever crew was on board. We'll be looking at maintenance records of the helicopter. We will be looking at records of the owner and operator of the helicopter, and a number of other things that we look at as part of the investigation.
Once news of Bryant's death became public, a makeshift memorial was set up outside the Staples Center in LA. That is the home arena of the Lakers, where Kobe played for 20 years.
Excellence, as a man, the best you could be as a man, you know, he's basically bigger than basketball. He reached a God level. He more than a man. Seems like he was superhuman or something.
Inside during music's biggest night, the Grammys, Kobe Bryant was honored during the opening minutes of the broadcast. Another memorial was set up outside the Mamba Sports Academy, the training facility that Bryant co-founded. The name of the school came from the moniker he gave himself, the Black Mamba.